The question today is, should you eat carrots on keto? Well, what is the glycemic index of carrots? Basically, it's 72. It's high. Now, what is the glycemic index? It is a scale of carbohydrates and how fast that carbohydrate will raise your blood sugar. So below 55 is low, above 70 is high. Carrots, 72, is pretty high. However, we have to look at the whole picture here because there's something else called the glycemic load, which is the amount of carbohydrates in a food. And the glycemic load will increase on more quantity, but it also takes in consideration the fiber as well, because if we have a lot of fiber and low carbohydrate, it's going to definitely influence this glycemic index. So the calculation is this: glycemic index times the amount of carbs divided by 100. Less than 10 would be low, over 21 would be high. So if we take 72, which is the glycemic index, times 4 grams of carbs for a medium-sized carrot, divided by 100 equals 2.88, which is very, very, very low. I mean, it would take a lot of carrots to create any real impact. Why is that? Because carrots, even though it's high in the glycemic index, has a tremendous amount of fiber. So that is going to buffer or inhibit this glycemic reaction. However, if you took the carrot juice out of the carrot fiber, that would be very, very high on the glycemic index because we're dealing with just pure sugar, because that's going to create a huge spike in the glycemic response. And also there's other variables like cooking the carrots, and that can also raise the glycemic index as well. However, if you're doing raw carrots and you're not going crazy with too many, it's going to be totally fine on keto. You don't have to worry about it. All right, thanks for watching. So if you want more knowledge on how to create a healthy body, subscribe now and get daily notifications.